Hey guys, this is Kit again from EKC Online Marketing, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you on how to relax from your business. Okay, so these things, okay, so let's go down here first. So, how to relax from business life. So, these things are what you can do on how to get away from your business life right now, or this can also work. Okay, this can also work for other people who, even though you are not in a business life, but rather you have a another things or other things that you do, then this will work as well for you. Okay, so it doesn't only work for the people who are in business side, but also with regular people who also have like things going on with their life every day, that they are, and also they are also doing some things that is routine for their life every day, like 5 or 7 days a week. That's the only thing that they do. Okay, so these are the things that can help you, okay, to get away from that daily routine, okay, from that daily things that you do in your life or in your on your everyday life. Okay, so let's go down here. So how to relax from business type. So today I'm going to share with you 5 things. Okay, 5 things. Okay, so number one, first thing is begin a daily meditation practice. Okay, so meditation brings vast amounts of benefits to an individual. Okay, because the thing is, when you do a meditation, basically what's happening is you are emptying your mind. Okay, so you are not thinking of something or about something. Okay, so all you do is sit down and just relax. Okay, taking it easy. Okay, for yourself, right? So a daily meditation practice can quickly bring calmness, balance, and stabilize the immune system. Yes, that is really true. Okay, because since number one thing that can cause or that can make you sick is stress. Okay, because when you are stressed, you are thinking a lot of things in your mind, right? So basically, when you do a meditation, you are taking out all those things in your mind, and then just you don't think about it anymore. Okay, so that's why it can stabilize your immune system. Okay, so most importantly, it is a simple way to relax from business that an individual can do anywhere in the world at any time. Okay, so it's up to you. Where do you want to do your meditation practice? As long as you do meditation for yourself, okay, you can do it at home, either at home, or you can do it on the probably meditation class. Maybe you can do it there as well. Okay, so it's up to you. We Where are you comfortable doing it? Okay, as long as you are doing the meditation, then it doesn't matter, as long as you do it. Okay, so that one day, just to let you know, one day of meditation can make yourself really at ease. Okay, so meditation is really effective of calming yourself. Okay, because the thing is, you are basically in a room, and you're just going to sit down there and just focus, or just be calm to your on yourself, and then yeah, after that, all the things that is in your head and all the things that you've been stressing out will be gone. Okay, so that's why it is a really effective habit or routine to the meditation, because it can take away all the, not really the problems, but it can take away your the what you call this, the things that makes you feel stressed out. Okay, so number two is start writing in a journal. Okay, so start writing in a journal. Okay, so why do you have to write in a journal? Okay, so keeping a journal is such an easy thing to do and have. Okay, so yet many business people fail to recognize its benefits. Okay, so writing in a journal, sorry, this is supposed to be in a journal. In a journal, frequently can lower anxiety levels, stress, and help a business person relax from business life. Okay, so by simply writing things down, the mind and body can relax because basically you when you are writing a journal, okay, so what you do is basically you are writing all the things what happened in a day. Okay, so when you are writing a journal, it's like writing a diary. Okay, but of course you're going to do it as a journal, right? So when you write a journal, basically you are doing all the things happened in a day. So after you vent out all the things that happened in a day, then you will start feeling better because you don't feel any burden to yourself anymore because you've already written it down, right? So that's why writing a journal is one also an important thing to do because it can lighten up yourself. Okay, it can help you to ease as well yourself because you've been doing a lot of things for a day, and then after you write all the things that happened or whatever things on a journal, then that can help you ease whatever you're feeling right now, like the anxiety or any stress that you are feeling right now. Okay, so that's why writing a journal is really important to um, get away from business life. Okay, so number three is reading interesting books. Okay, there's a lot of books out there that you can read. It's all up to you, whatever you choose, or what kind of books that you wanted to read. Okay, so it's up to your likes or it's up to your interest what kind of books that you wanted to read. Okay, so books are a great way to escape when it is time to relax. A book is a great way to unplug and escape. Okay, so interesting books can grab the reader and consume them. Basically, what's happening is every time you read a book, yourself yourself is getting into that book. Okay, it's like you are traveling on or with the story on the book that you are reading. Okay, so that's why it is really important to read a book so that you can escape the reality that is happening right now. So okay, so reading this allows the reader to relax and find enjoyment because the thing is every time you read a book, it feels like you are also part of the book. Okay, so that's why it is really important to read some books when you have the chance or when you have the time with yourself. Okay, so when you are taking a break from your business, one thing you can do is just read a book. Okay, read interesting books. It's not only about a story books, or you can read another book besides the storybook, right? So you can read a book about financial, you can read a book about business, but of course you don't want to read those kind of books as well because the thing is your mind gonna be will be gonna be again on that book, right? So that's why it is really good to shift to another book besides the business and financial stuff or financial books. Okay, so um, of course, reading books benefits the individual in multiple ways too. Okay, so of course, when you're reading books, your what do you call this? Your your reading skills or the vocabulary, you can expand your vocabulary for when you're reading the books, right? So that's why it is really important to read books sometimes. Okay, or not really sometimes, when you have the chance or when you want to get away from your business life. Okay, so number four is, this one's my favorite because number four is getting outside into nature. Okay, so getting outside into nature, breathing the fresh air outside, it's really good because it will help you to relax, and basically you will go outside, and then you will be out from your either office or from your house, and you will be out from that tight space inside your office or inside your room, right? So that's why it is really important to go outside, and just you don't really have to go into a forest, or you don't really have to go into a camping. Well, camping is really good though. What you can do is just go outside of your home or your house, and or maybe go outside from your office, and then just do a walk around on the neighborhood, or probably on the somewhere else that is a little bit far from your place. Okay, so or from far from your house. Okay, so nature can be rejuvenating and therapeutic. Okay, so it is stress reducing and a great way for business people to relax. Okay, so a quick stroll through a forest by a lake or beach, and one feels quickly better. Yes, well, if the forest is too far, then maybe you can go by lake or a by beach, right? Because sometimes some people doesn't live close to the forest, so that's why there's an option by going to lake or a beach. Because the thing is, by walking around on this area, okay, because you can feel the breeze, okay, outside or on this area. Okay, so that's why it is really important to really breathe in. Okay, breathe in on these places. Okay, so that you don't because you don't want to get stuck inside your office or inside your house. Okay, so number 5, the last one, is watch something interesting. Yes, you can do a movie marathon. Okay, a movie. Sorry, man, this one. Sorry, I was typing so fast with this one. So, a movie, documentary, or some fun TV can quickly recharge the batteries, so to speak. Okay, so basically, when you are watching when you are watching a movie, a documentary, or anything, it will help you to forget about some things on your from your business. Okay, it can sway your attention from your business going to that entertainment, right? So it is a quick way to relax from business life. Okay, so sometimes the people, what they do usually is, after they're doing things, or when they're done with their business or with their business things, then they will go watch TV. Okay, watch some interesting movie or documentary that will shift their attention away from their business, going to that show. Okay, so um, it is a quick way to relax from business life. Okay, so when traveling at home, or even during long office hours, a quick 30 to 60-minute break can do wonders. Yes, that can help you to shift or to turn away your attention from your business life, okay, to make yourself relaxed. Okay, so, and also it can help you to a little bit forget. Okay, to forget about the things that you did or what happened from that past long hours, like 8 hours, right? So that's why watching TV, okay, watching TV is a good thing to do. Okay, but not too much. Okay, so you don't want to sit down for long hours. Okay, so like what I said here, quick 30 to 60 minutes, it's gonna be more than enough already. Okay, so it can help you to be relaxed after the long day of work or your business life. Okay, so one more bonus thing here. So these are some of the more popular ways to relax, but business person should find whatever works for them. Okay, so whatever works for you, just do it, as long as you are getting away, or you are shifting away from the business life, or your from your work life. Okay, so the key is to make sure to take breaks and find ways to relax. Okay, so this is especially true during stressful times. Okay, so these are the things that you can do so that you can shift your attention, or you can shift yourself from this business life, or from this work life. Okay, so it can help you to reduce your stress, and it can help you to reduce anxiety. Okay, so these are okay, guys. So these are the 5 things that you can do on how to relax from business life. Okay, so anyway, um, if you guys wanted to add more, okay, what are the things that you can do for just to shift away from your business life, or maybe whatever you do on your leisure. Okay, so just comment it down on the comment section, and then let us know what do you guys do, okay, to relax from business life. Okay, so anyway, um also I just wanted to add, okay, so if you guys wanted to start your own online business, step by step guide on how to start your own online business, just check out down below my description, on the description, and then also check out the pinned comment down below on the comment section. Okay, so yeah, that's it, guys, and these are the things that you can do, or on how to relax from business life. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching, and then I will see you guys next time soon. Okay, thanks. Bye bye.